Take a look at these two sentences. Without punctuation, they are identical. A woman without her man is nothing. A woman without her man is nothing. Now look what happens when we place different punctuation in each sentence. A woman without her man is nothing. A woman without her man is nothing. As you can see, a colon can make a huge difference in the meaning of the sentence. Here's another humorous example to illustrate why careful attention to grammar and punctuation matters. Dear Jack, I want a man who knows what love is all about. You are generous, kind, thoughtful. People who are not like you admit to being useless and inferior. You have ruined me for other men. I yearn for you. I have no feelings whatsoever when we're apart. I can be forever happy. Will you let me be yours? Jill. Dear Jack, I want a man who knows what love is. All about you are generous, kind, thoughtful people who are not like you. Admit to being useless and inferior. You have ruined me. For other men I yearn. For you I have no feelings whatsoever. When we're apart, I can be forever happy. Will you let me be? Yours, Jill. These examples are of course rather extreme, but even in our most mundane writing, we are constantly faced with choices in punctuation, grammar, and style that can have major impacts on the meaning of our words. In this course, you will develop and practice the skills that you need to make informed and deliberate choices in your writing. Ultimately, the goal is to make you a more fluent, confident writer, whatever discipline or profession you come from. But this class is not just about the nitty-gritty of grammar. It is also about practicing writing as a form of conversation. That will be a central tenet of this course. That writing well means entering into conversation with others. Just like riding a bike or whistling, writing takes mechanical practice, but can eventually come naturally to you. Here's the basic writing process that we'll be working on over the next 8 weeks. 1. Listen closely to others around you. 2. Summarize their views in a way they will recognize. And 3. Respond with your own ideas. This looks like a basic formula, and there are many variations, but these are the basic principles for how to form an argument. In other words, write the voices of others into your text. Be provoked and provoke. It's a misconception that good writers avoid opinion or bias. In fact, good writers articulate their opinions and biases in dialogue with other writers' opinions and biases. This course is designed to develop your confidence and competence in writing. Grammar is important for developing confidence, but it's a means to an end rather than an end in itself. The main focus of this course will be on developing fluency in forming arguments and using the arguments of others in your own writing. Throughout this course, you will get to know your fellow students through online discussions, and I encourage you to use one another as resources. I am also available throughout the term to answer your questions or clarify any of the material. Welcome to the course.